Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can set up a Zoom meeting and invite others to your meeting. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Zoom meeting application on my computer and then I'm going to create new meeting. So I'm going to click on new meeting right here and then just wait for a moment. Now it's still connecting. Okay, and now the virtual meeting has been created and I'm going to invite my friends to this virtual meeting. If we want to invite others, we can go to the participants right here and then we're going to select invite. Okay, then here you can share the invitation through email, or you can copy the invite link right here by clicking on this invite link. Okay, now the invite link has been copied to the clipboard and you will be able to share it to your friends. You can also click on copy invitation to get the invitation. Then you can send it to your friends you want to invite to your meeting. Okay guys, and that's all the way to set up Zoom meeting and invite others. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.